Today, we will explore the top Magento email marketing tools that can drive your e-commerce success. These software options are more than simple email generators. They could be the key to unlocking your full business potential. So, stay tuned to make sure that you're not missing out on what could be the best approach for marketing funnels. Let's dive right in. If you are operating an online business, email marketing can help you improve customer engagement, create personalized experiences, retrieve lost sales, and eventually improve your overall sales figures. Let's look into some of the top email marketing tools for Magento stores. First on our list is Omnisend, a powerful platform that offers seamless email marketing and automation, all while integrating effortlessly with Magento. Next up is HubSpot, a well-known CRM and email marketing platform. It offers robust features for data-driven marketing, personalized messaging, and detailed analytics. Another excellent tool is Campaign Monitor, which provides comprehensive email marketing solutions, easy-to-use email editor, and analytics reports. Looking for CRM features and lead generation options? GetResponse could be the way forward with marketing automation that works well with Magento. Incorporating email and SMS marketing with Brevo is easy and efficient. Its comprehensive segmentation tools and automation builder enables you to create custom messages for each customer. Specifically designed for e-commerce businesses, Omnisend, when integrated with Magento 2, can give you highly targeted campaigns, leading to improved customer engagement and sales. Lastly, there's MailChimp. Well known for its wide range of features, including a user-friendly email editor and powerful automation. It integrates with Magento 2, enabling you to easily sync customer data and create targeted campaigns. You might be wondering how Magento sends emails or how to enable this feature. The answers? Magento uses inbuilt features which can be adjusted to fit your needs. Plus, it's easy to turn on email in Magento through the admin panel. Bearing this in mind, pick a suitable Magento email marketing tool based on your budget, business size, and needs. That concludes our take on the top Magento email marketing tools. Subscribe to our channel for more great Magento tips. Don't let potential sales slip away. Take action now. Comment below which tool you're planning to try, or if you already have a favorite.